Hi everybody. Now welcome to your ELA for today, for Monday, June 8th. So I am going to be, each grade has their own reading to do. If you're grade 2, you're doing a passage called Masked Pests. And if you're in grade 3, you're doing one called Hanging Around. Okay, so one is about raccoons and one is about sloths. You're going to read it on your own. Anything that you don't know how to read, if it's a word that you need help with, just circle it, okay? Circle the word that's really hard, and that's okay. There's hard words in these. They're meant to be a little bit challenging, but they're also meant to be words that you can figure out with a little bit of persistence, okay? So you're going to read them, circle any words that are challenging to you. That's helpful information for me. Be honest. All right, I keep getting interrupted now that I'm at school. There's a lot of boop, 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 boop. I have to keep restarting my videos. It's just like teaching. Take a pause. Teaching in person. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to read these. You're going to circle any words that are hard for you, and then you're going to answer the questions. So the questions are pretty broad. So you're going to say, what's the main topic of the passage? What is this about? Okay. What's one thing you learned about sloths or learned about raccoons? And then each of them have some questions that tell me whether or not you can pull out information from the text. Try to do it on your own just by reading and trying to understand. So really focus on the text and see what you can figure out. So it's asking you, if you're in grade 3, you're going to be talking about how raccoons' paws are like our hands, and what is your favorite fact about raccoons? And there's lots of facts in there, or you might have another fact that isn't in there. You can use that too. For grade 2, you guys are going to be saying, why is a tree a safe place for a sloth? Now the information is in the passage, okay? So you're going to read it. All the information you need is there. And then you're going to share your favorite fact about sloths. Okay, so this is a really quick video because this is an assessment. When you're done, please take a picture of your work and send it to me on Teams or Class Dojo, okay? And this week, for the rest of your week, you do have lots of catch-up time for ELA. I'm finding that we're winding down the year and people are needing time to catch up on things they might have missed. So check your work package to find out what has to be sent in today or this week. And next week, I will be sending a really light work package, something fun, so that if you don't get caught up this week, don't panic. You still have next week to work on all of this, okay? And if you are caught up, then I have a quick fun activity for you for the end of the year. So if you're feeling stressed out, know that it's okay. You're going to have time to do this next week too. Work as much as you can and focus on those assessments. So this is an assessment. This is something I'd like to see. And I will send out a list of all the other assessments also, okay? So you have everything you need. I believe this is our last assessment. This is the last thing that I have to have, but there are quite a few people who have not had a chance to hand in the previous assessments, okay? If that's you, don't panic. You have 2 weeks. 2 weeks to get it done, and I'm here to help you. Okay, so have a beautiful day. If you could do this and send it to me, that would be fantastic, because then I will have it and you'll be one step closer to being all caught up. Have a beautiful day, everybody.